Arena Breakout Infinite Northridge Service Area Manager's office key. In this video, I'll show you where it is and of course the loot inside, so you can decide if it's worth it or not. The easiest way to find this location or anything else for that matter in Arena Breakout Infinite, click the first link in the description down below to access the map that I made. Here, just punch in what you're looking for, in my case Manager for Service Area Manager's office key. Bam, just like that, it takes us straight to where it is with X-ray of the building so we understand what's going on. What we need to do is make our way into the camp services area in the far west of the map, and inside of here, in this middle right building, we'll need to head up the spiral staircase in the center, and on the second floor, we'll find the door right over here. Let's go ahead and do it. I'll go ahead and mark the area on our map, and we'll make our way over there. Making our way into the servicing area, inside of here, you'll find a massive building. That's where we're heading, the main service area. Find your way up and in here, where you'll find a spiral staircase in the center with a climbing wall. Just keep in mind there are quite a few guards in this area. So making our way up the spiral staircase, at the very top you'll find this open area. We're heading towards this closed up section. So through here you'll find a bathroom to your right, and to your left this locked door. Here is exactly where we are, and again with X-ray from my map linked down below. Unlocking this room and heading inside, here's what we have. Immediately in front of us there's a safe in this room, some loose loot. Let's have a look at this. The S badge is nothing crazy, but inside the safe, somewhat lucky. I'll grab this. The S badge isn't worth it too much. Over to our right there's nothing in this area of the room, and finally to our left there's a filing cabinet as well as a document box over here on the couch. The docs box, perfume 15k, not too bad. I'll take that. 15k in the bottom drawer, okay. Middle, no. Top, yeah, okay. Overall, not too bad. Probably about 50k worth of profit from this room here. Well, not necessarily profit. The key isn't exactly the cheapest, but overall, a safe isn't a terrible thing to have behind a key. In fact, it's one of the better keys on this map just for that reason. Anyways, outside of this room, besides a couple more guards wandering around, being noisy, we've got this cafeteria area with a gym bag and more importantly a suitcase over here on the far north side, which I didn't get lucky in, a jacket on the countertop, not too crazy, and another jacket over here. Overall, not too bad. It's a relatively good key, especially compared to a couple of other ones on this map, but yeah, let me know what you found in this room down below. Hopefully you found this video useful, and again, you'll find the map linked there as well. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.